Grandma's Winter Wisdom.
Grandma, wise, kind, and wearing a thick knitted sweater. Grandma is sitting in her armchair with a steaming cup of tea. Leo, a teenager who thinks he is too cool for a heavy coat.
Leo, where are you going in that light sweater? It's freezing outside.
I'm just going to the park with friends, Grandma. I'm fine. I don't like big coats. They make me look like a giant marshmallow.
A warm marshmallow is better than a frozen ice cube. Come here, listen to your grandma. You need to bundle up properly.
But it's not that cold.
It's not just about the cold. It's about being smart. Dress in layers. Don't wear just one big coat. Be like an onion. Start with a warm shirt, add a sweater, and then put on your jacket. If you get too hot, you can take one off. But if you only have one layer, you're in trouble.
Ugh, fine, I'll get my scarf.
And your toque. Most of your body heat escapes through your head. And remember, stay dry. If them play in the snow and your socks get wet, come home immediately. Wet clothes make you cold 10 times faster.
Okay. But honestly, Grandma, winter is so boring. It's dark and gray. I just want to stay in my room until spring.
Ah, you have the winter blues. I understand. When it's dark, our hearts feel a bit heavy. But staying in bed all day makes the winter blues worse.
Really?
Yes, the best medicine is to go outside for a little bit, see the light, and move your body. Then come back inside for a hot drink and a warm home. If you stay active and stay warm, winter actually goes by very fast.
I guess a walk in the park won't hurt.
That's my boy. Just watch out for the ice monsters, frostbite and hypothermia. If your skin feels numb or you can't stop shivering, the game is over. Come inside and get help. Don't be a hero.
I'm putting on my hat and gloves. Okay, Grandma, I'm bundled up and ready. See you later.
Have fun, Leo, and stay dry.
Vocabulary list. Bundle up, to wear enough clothing to keep very warm. Winter blues, feeling sad or depressed because of the cold, dark winter weather. Layers, wearing several pieces of clothing on top of each other. Frostbite, a dangerous condition where the skin freezes. Shiver, when your body shakes because you are cold.
Stay warm. Stay wise. Well, now you know the secret. Winter isn't so scary when you're prepared.
Remember, bundle up in layers, stay dry, and don't let the winter blues keep you inside all day.
A little fresh air and a warm scarf are the best medicine. Did you enjoy our little chat today? If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us keep the fire warm and the lessons coming.